A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Hundreds of jobs are coming to South St. Elizabeth in a matter of weeks as the Alpart refinery is set to be reopened to process alumina. The definitive opening time was revealed during a tour of the facility on Friday by members of the opposition. Dashan Hendricks reports.
After 8 years of dormancy, alumina production is about to restart at the Alpart refinery in Nain, St. Elizabeth.
We anticipate, based on all we have been told, that by the end of June, we will have resumed alumina shipments out of the plant at Alpart after a closure of some 8.5 years.
The entity, now owned by Chinese-based Jiquan Iron and Steel Company, JISCO, has been undergoing upgrading work over the last few months. When alumina production restarts, as scheduled on June 20, it will employ 1,000 people, 700 of whom will be Jamaicans, and the product will be going into a new market.
For the first time, the Jamaican bauxite and alumina is finding its way into the Asian market.
The big project, however, is to come, a $2 billion investment to be undertaken by JISCO in the next 3 to 5 years. It involves building an industrial park, including a second refinery, to produce 2 million tons of alumina, bringing total output at the plant to 3.6 million tons annually.
It means we need a Port Kaiser to go to handle the big vessel.
JISCO says to get moving, though, it needs to get its hands on reserves to process over the next 30 years. It says a lot will be done in the next 3 months, including getting approval from NEPA to store the waste red mud underground. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
JAMPRO is seeking to push exports to regional markets. The Trade Promotion Agency today launched its Export Max program and will be leading a trade mission to Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, as well as the Bahamas. The mission is to give companies the opportunity to promote brand Jamaica in these markets. Export Max aims to increase exports for the participating companies by 50%. Stock trading, foreign currency trading rather, and the US dollar was being sold for an average $130.28 at the end of the day. The Canadian currency went for $97.27. The pound sterling costs $166.85, while the euro sells for $148.78. Derrimon Trading has successfully raised $250 million through a private issue of bonds. The company says the plan is to use the funds raised to pay off its US dollar debt. Those who invested in the bond will see it maturing in 24 months and will receive a return of 10.25% per annum. The issue was handled by Mayberry Investments. Stock trading now, and that ended mostly higher today, pulling the main JSE market index up more than 840 points, while the junior market index lost 9 points. The winners of the day, well, they included Access Financial, Carreras, Jamaican Teas, Knutsford Express, the NCB Financial Group, as well as the Scotia Group. On the losing end were 1834 Investments. We also had Derrimon Trading, Lasco Distributors, Paramount Trading, and Supreme Ventures. That's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Have a great evening.